Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, got it.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We got some breaking news. This just dropped. It is currently 2:59. This just dropped at 2:53 p.m. Pacific time. And the United Auto Workers fight with Stellantis escalates as the union files unfair labor charges over factory commitments. We've heard about this before. We've talked about this, but let's get into it. This is posted over on the AP Associated Press. United Auto Workers rift with Stellantis widened Monday as the union fired federal labor charges over factory commitments in Illinois, dealing with Belvidere, obviously, and alleged that the company plans to move some SUV production out of the country. I guess that would work. Country, same thing. They're moving it from the United States up to Windsor. The union said it filed charges with the National Labor Relations Board accusing the company of illegally refusing to release information about plans to reopen a vehicle assembly plant in Belvidere, Illinois, as well as build a parts distribution center and electric vehicle battery plant there. The UAW has threatened to strike. Several UAW local unions also filed grievances, alleging the company wants to move production of the Dodge Durango large SUV from the Detroit plant where it's made to another factory outside of the U.S. The company committed to Belvidere additions as well as the Durango production in the union's new contract reached last fall after a 6-week strike, the UAW said. In a statement, Sean Fain said the contract gives the UAW the right to strike over contractual commitments to build vehicles in the U.S. Now Stellantis wants to go back on the deal. He said, we intend to enforce our contract to make Stellantis keep its promise. Stellantis has already responded. They denied that it's violating the contract and said that like all automakers, it is managing how and when to bring new vehicles into the market in order to be competitive. We will communicate our plans to the UAW at the appropriate time, the company said in a statement. Sounds like BS to me. I don't know, man. With them consistently cutting jobs like we talked about, I know that video posted for you guys today as well about the Warren plant. I don't know, man. I honestly, I can't trust Stellantis at their word. I feel this might be the right path for the UAW to go here because I don't see any other path that works for them. But anyways, some breaking news. It just dropped. I'll try to get this edited and up for you guys here within the next hour. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.